Hi guys, today in this video we are going to see how to make MDisk converter bot. So this bot is very useful if you are a channel admin, and this bot will help in converting others MDisk link to your MDisk link. And this bot works in channels too. So if you add this bot in your channel, then it will convert every message and every MDisk link in your channel to your account link. Okay, so this will save much time for you, and this will be more useful for admins like me. So let's get into the video. So to create the bot, we need these values. First of all, API ID, API hash, and next bot further, and then comes MDisk API. So for these two values, I have created a video already. It's available in my channel. You can watch that and come to this video, or you can still continue this video. I will show in this video also. And bot further, we will get bot token in bot further, and MDisk API. So this is very important. If this value is not there, the bot won't recognize that that account is yours. So let's get started. So first of all, for API ID, to get API ID, we have to go to this bot and start the bot. So I have already started. So if you have already started, just ignore it and enter your phone number with the country code, and you will get a confirmation code in your Telegram. Just copy paste it, and after that you will get your API ID and API hash. Just paste it over here. So let's just paste it, and after that for bot token, we have to go to bot further and start the bot and give the command new bot. Okay, so /new bot, and after that it will ask for your name, for your bot name. So let's say demo, and for username, I'll just enter any random. So after that you will get this token. This is the token we wanted. So after that, MDisk API ID. So for this, go to this bot. This is the official bot of MDisk. Start this bot. Link is in the description as well. So after that, give the command get API key. So after that you will get your API key. So copy as it is and paste it over here. So be careful when you copy this value. These are very important values. So if you miss any value, even if any one value is missing, then you won't get paid in your MDisk account. So after this, we want one more value, that is admin value. Okay. So admin value is, let me say what is admin value. So the bot we are going to create will work only for the admin of that bot. Okay. So you have to add your ID, of course, then only it will work for you. Go to Rose bot. Link is in the description. Every bot I'm using in this video, the link is given in the description. So this is your ID. So copy this and paste it over here. So if you want to add your friend or add your colleague as an admin, well, so give it a comma and enter the another ID. So enter your friend ID or any other IDs if you want to add other people as an admin. Okay, so this is for admin value. So after getting all these value, go to this website, Heroku.com. So in this, so now our bot has been created. We got all these value, right? So this is the bot we created. Now we have to give functions to our bot. So for that we have to go to this website. Let's sign up and just sign up with your name. So let's say MDisk. I'll just sign up with random value quickly, and let me enter my email. Company name, others, enroll, other, and India. Okay, and primary language should be Python, and enter this captcha and create. So after this you will get a confirmation code in your email ID. So just verify it. So after verifying your email, you will get an interface for entering your password. So after entering the password, you will get these interference. So after getting these interference, go to this link, MDisk converter. So this link will be in the description. This is the source code of the bot. So if you scroll down and click on this button, you will get this page. Okay, so it will take some time to load, and after so we have to fill this value and deploy the app, and our bot will start working. Okay, so let's create the bot. App name, so just enter your bot name. So this is our bot name, MDisk converter. So and comes the admins. So admins value, we have the value already. Just copy and paste the value, and in API hash just paste the value which we have, and I'll do it for API ID and bot token as well, and even for MDisk API. So after this, what you need to do is you can just deploy the app, or you can fill these values. These values are entirely optional, but you know, these values are if you fill these values, it will be more useful for you. So filling these value only works in private. Okay, so if you set this to true, I mean this, if you enter true in channels, it will work in your channel also. I mean whatever message you send to the channel, it will just if the post contains any MDisk link, it will just convert the MDisk link to your account, and it will just edit the post. Okay, so I will show the demo afterwards after creating, but for now just understand this. So after basically it works in channels also, and after this, after entering true, you have to enter your channel ID. So the bot doesn't recognize what your channel is, right? We have to give some input to know to make the bot know that this is your channel name, the channel ID, and in this channel you have to convert the MDisk link. So for that, let's create a channel. We will call MDisk channel and add the bot. So now after deploying the bot, whatever message is sent, it will just go through that message, and if any MDisk link found, then it will just edit that MDisk link. Okay, so this is what it does in channels. So after adding, just send any message, test message. So after sending the message, forward to Rose bot. So I'm doing this to get the ID of the channel. Okay, so if you just reply to the message /ID, you will get the forwarded channel ID. So if you click on this, the ID will be forwarded, and paste it over here. So this value is for forward message. So see, so I'm just sending this message. Okay, so now the bot is not ready, the bot won't convert this link, but for demo I'm showing that if you send this message, it will just edit this message, right? But if you send like this, I mean with the forwarded tag, so the bot can't edit, because you know, with the forward tag no one can edit the post, right? So what the bot will do is it will delete this message and repost the message with a converter link, right? So if you are okay with reposting, then you can set this to true. Okay, so if you still don't understand, I will show the demo after, once the bot is created. So now all the values are filled, so let's create the bot. So our bot is created. You can see the message, your app was successfully deployed. So now click on manage app, and then click on this more button and view logs. So as you can see, the bot is started. Okay, so now if we start the bot again, yeah, it is successfully created. I am about to short your mdisk.me links. So if you click on help, you can see the help message. So I will just now show the demo. Okay, so let's send this message to the bot first, not to the channel. Wait for some time, it will take some time, and yeah, you got that. So if we click on this message and see the username, it starts with GO, right? And if we click on this, it starts with BU, which is my username, Bug Squashers. So the bot is perfectly working. The bot is perfectly fine. So now what we have to do is send the message to channel. Let's see if it's convert. Wait for some time. Yeah, it's edited. As you can see, it's edited, right? You can see this editor tag. So it's the bot converted our link. So whatever message you send, if the message has MDisk link, it will convert to your account. So if the link is already in your account, then the bot will do nothing. So that's it. You can send any type of message, right? You can even send this photo. It will just edit the caption, So send it to channel, and if you see edited, so the bot edited the link as soon as you send. So you can even send documents, and you can see even send this type of message. So this is document type, so let's forward this. So we got the document type also. Let's forward this to channel and see. So it's working. So that's it. So after this, one more feature is there in this bot. If you type help, so you will get this batch command, right? So this batch command is for if you have a ton of posts in your channel, I mean 1000 2000 posts in your channel with MDisk link, okay, and you want to convert it to your account. I mean, if any other channel has that much post and you want to convert that into your account and post it in your channel, then you can just forward it to your channel first and give this command. So what this command will do is, it will go through every message in your channel and convert all the message in your channel to MDisk link of your account. So that's what this command do. You can read this command is used to convert all links from the first post to the last post in your channel. Make the bot as an admin in your channel. So that's it. I think you have understood what is this. So I don't have any post now, so I'm not using this, but still I'm just telling how to use this. So if you want to use this, just give batch and the channel ID we got from this. Okay, so channel ID. So that's it. So if you give this, it will ask for the confirmation. So click on batch start, and the shortening has been started. So it won't short anything because these values are already in my account. So it won't short anything, it won't convert anything actually. So if you want to cancel it, you can just click on cancel, and after 5 or 6 seconds it will cancel automatically. So it will take some time, you know, it's a quite big process. Yeah, and it cancel. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you understood, and it will be more helpful, and your work will be more easy from now after using this bot. So if you are an admin and if you are a regular uploader in your channel, so this will be more useful, and it saves lots of time. It saved me a lot of time, tons of time actually. So thank you for watching, guys. Let's see you in the next video.